Hello friends, welcome to Idiot's Diary. My name is Mahesh Itlani and today we will learn how to create your first HTML web page. As we have learned in my previous video that every HTML page has two sections. First is head section and second is body section. So before creating your first HTML web page, we will learn what you need to create your first HTML web page. To create a HTML page, we only need two things. First is text editor and second is browser. Now the question is, what is a text editor? So text editor is a simple software application which is used to edit plain text. There are various text editors available in the market such as Notepad, Notepad++, Sublime, Atom, NetBeans and thousands of more. My personal favorite is Sublime Text Editor. Now come to the browser. There are various browsers available such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge and Opera. So install and open your favorite text editor and get ready to create your first HTML page. Any HTML page starts with HTML tag. So we first create HTML tag. I suggest you to always close the pair tag whenever you create it. You can avoid the mistakes. HTML tag contains head and body tag. So inside the HTML we create head tag and body tag. Head tag can contain various elements like title, style, scripts, etc. Currently we are only going with title, so we are creating a title tag and write the title my first web page. Rest of the head tag elements we discuss in our upcoming videos as they required. Body tag contains the real content of the web page. So we write here, hello, welcome in the world of web. You can see this special organization of web page. Here I want to tell you that whenever you create a tag inside tag, you need to indent it by using the tab. It is useful to create a readable web page. It is not necessary to the machine or browser to understand, but it is helpful to us. Now we have to save this file as HTML file. Every HTML file must have extension .html. I am saving this file, but for the better organization I am managing it into folders. So I am going to the desktop, create a new folder named HTML, and within the HTML I create a folder day 2 and save this file with the name of first.html. Remember one thing, every HTML page must be saved with HTML extension. Now to run this file, go to the page location and open the file in the browser. You can see the title appeared in the title bar and content what you write inside the body tag on the web page. Notice the address bar. You can see this file protocol in the address bar. If a file is opened directly through your local system, then it is prefixed with file protocol. Or if a file is running through the internet or any server, then it is prefixed with HTTP protocol. Come back to the HTML file, and last thing I want to tell you that every HTML file has a doc type in the first line. Doc type informs the browser that what version of HTML we are using. So for the HTML5 the doc type is simple, doc type HTML. Before HTML5 the doc type is very much complicated. HTML5 simplify this. Here we complete our first HTML web page. If you have any question, then feel free to comment, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe.